Hi, my name is Brianna Bays, aka Pistachio. I'm your host for the Pistachio Show today. I hope you are entertained from what you learn about the Mongol invasions. Our guests today will be Giovanna Overstreet and Hunter Starr. We will be discussing the Mongol invasions. A few facts before we begin. The Mongols were barbarics who slaughtered and destroyed innocent people. This all began during the 13th and 14th century in Central Asia, which then covered to Eastern Europe, Sea of Japan, North Siberia, Southeast Asia, and Indian subcontinent, and the Middle East. I will be asking our guests a few questions about the Mongol invasions. Let's start out with Hunter. Hunter, in what year did Kublai Khan, Mongol ruler, sent a message threatening the Emperor of Japan?
That would be in the year 1266.
Okay, now Giovanna, in the message, what did Kublai Khan threaten Japan with?
To pay him with tribute or an invasion will happen.
Okay, those are some interesting facts. Let's get into more detail. Hunter, when and where exactly did the first invasion begin?
It was in 1274 and took place in two places, Tsushima and Iki Islands.
Giovanna, when did the second invasion take place?
The second invasion took place in spring of 1281.
Well, I never knew that. Well, Hunter, what lands underwent a violent attack from the Mongolian Empire?
I believe that was the Russian Empire.
Now, Giovanna, what was another name for the Mongols in Europe?
Another name was the Tatars.
Giovanna, when was the second important battle?
I'm pretty sure it was in 1260.
Hunter, what areas in the Middle East did the Mongols conquer by force or involuntary?
The Mongols conquered Iran, Iraq, Syria, and parts of Turkey.
Oh, okay. That is most definitely something I didn't know. Giovanna, what was the battle called that took place in Baghdad in 1258, when the Mongols took over the city in which for 500 years had been the center of Islamic power?
It was the Battle of Siege.
I'm glad you gave us that fact. I bet many of us didn't know that. Last question will be to Hunter. Hunter, what happened during the second battle in 1260, named Battle of Anjal?
The Muslim Egyptian Maluks were for the first to be able to stop the Mongols from advancing in the northern part of what today is known as the West Bank. The Mongols weren't a blow to expand farther than the Middle East.
Well, I'm glad you could answer that question. The question was pretty long and hard to answer. I would like to thank all of our viewers for tuning in today. Till next time on the Pistachio Show.
Good job.